Good morning, students. As you all know, we have completed the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill, right? So, today we are going to do a quick revision through one word answers or short answer time, right? So, the very first is dash is caused by Anopheles mosquito. So, which disease is caused by Anopheles mosquito? Yes, the answer is cholera, right? The next we have dash is not transferred by houseflies. So, which is the disease which is not transferred by houseflies? It is AIDS, right? The next we have mosquito is a vector for diseases like vector means a carrier, right? So, for what diseases it works like a carrier mosquito? It is malaria, typhoid and dengue, right? The next fourth is dash is a protozoan infection. So, which is a protozoan infection? It is a tetanus, right? Dash is a chronic disease. Chronic diseases are what? Which go for long time, right? Which last for long time. It takes time to get cure or may not, it may not get cure and last for lifelong, right? So it is diabetes, right? Dash is a airborne disease. Dash is an airborne diseases. It is tuberculosis, right? The seventh we have droplet method of transmission of disease is found in dash. So droplet method of transmission of disease is found in, we all know, right? As we are suffering from going through which phase, which is corona, right? So it suffer, or we can say it is found in common cold, right? We need to avoid the uh, you know we need to avoid the droplets of any individual, right? The eighth one is microbes that enter the body through nose most likely affects our which body organ? Yes, it is lungs, right? As it is directly linked to the connected to the nose. Congenital disease is present from the time of, yes, it is present at the time of birth, right? Fever, slow pulse, abdominal tenderness, and rose colored rash indicate the disease. Which disease? It indicates the typhoid, right? What is common between malaria and dengue? Yes, it is caused by the biting of mosquito. It is written wrong here. It is caused by the what? It is caused by the biting of mosquito, right? The 12th is liver is damaged by the bacteria, right? In the disease jaundice. Liver is damaged by which microbes? It is through bacteria. And which disease it cause? It cause jaundice, right? The 13 is microbes are immediate cause of dash disease. Microbes are immediate cause of non-infectious disease. Non-infectious disease means which cannot spread from one person to another, right? The presence of which microorganism in Ganga water indicates contamination. So which microorganism is present? It is coliform bacteria, right? The next is SARS and swine flu are caused by what? It is caused by virus, right? So this is all. 15th question we have covered, which help you in the quick revision of this chapter. Okay, class. So thank you so much. We will meet in the next class.